Hello, welcome back guys. I've got 4,000 Robux now, thanks to my birthday. You can check out Pathum's channel if you want to see the entire thing. Oh, gumdrop. Anyways, yeah, let's get buying. I can't afford this. I'm like 495 Robux off. But I can afford this, so I may as well just get it. Alright. Let's see. Okay, nice. I really didn't ask, but fine. Hey, guys. Anyways. Don't even know why I need that, but, actually, that's my inbox, so. Rest in peace, warm scarf. Yes, I do not care about you, but you may be good for a trade, so, yeah. Anyways. Let's just see all of my stuff. Oh, statue. Okay. Alright, well, I'm planning to use the statue on a little bit of a different thing. Alright, let's see what I got. Alright, so, a gifted diamond bee egg. May as well just hatch that on diamond bee. 10 festive beans and 10 night bells. 100 glitters and tropical drinks. 750 snowflakes and tickets. That's not bad. Wait. Oh no. Oh yes. Okay guys, I just realized something. If I am correct, yep. Time to go and get, not you, but you. Let's go. I got a free mythic egg without having to use any Robux, but 1,700 of it. And never mind. Anyways, let's hatch this thing. Alright. I've got a star jelly that I'm never going to use. Yo, Von Ketchup. Anyways. So, yeah, you're going to become gifted. Yay, blah, 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 yappity, yappity, I don't really care. Anyways. But you, that is the thing I care about. I'm not sure which bee I should put it on. Anyways, I'm gonna probably put it on Bucklebee. He doesn't seem like he does anything. I'm sorry, Bucklebee. Bro. Alright, you better hatch into something good, like a precise, spicy, or fuzzy. I'll take a vector too. Alright, Buckle. Yes! I got fuzzy. I got fuzzy. I got fuzzy. And now, time to get myself some pollen haze with Wakachish. This thing. Yep. You are now gifted. Yar. Anyways, since I've got a bit more Robux, I'll flip wrong place. I will buy a one more. That. Okay. That sounded stupid. Yeah, sure, I don't care, I'll buy it. Yar, give me it. Okay, one more mythic egg. Mythic. Mythic. Alright. Now, let's find a useless bee. Why not a gifted diamond bee? I'm joking. Nah, that's good. I don't think I have any useless bees, so I guess it's just, oh wait, go back, wrong one. Bumblebee, give me something. No way! A vector bee! Yeah! Okay, that's good. That's good. I will take that. Now, mutation. Mutation. It's mutation time. It's mutation. Alright. Let's see, huh? We need you. One neon berry, please. Alright. Fuzzy bee, just transform, please. I don't want much. Just transform.
Wait, you're not making a video?
Wow. Just do it. Sorry, my sister's asking questions right now. 11 plus convert amount. Fine, it's a mutation after all.
Put it out after.
No. What the heck? Where did I? Oh my days. Okay, all of my bees are getting radioactive. Fair enough. I feed one neon berry and then it brushes against another one. But how did you not transform from that? I'm gonna go bankrupt. Alright, 50 is my last offer. But I got the same thing as my fuzzy bee. But that's trash. Alright, it's okay. Time for, gathering stuff. Yeah. Alright, let's see here. Now I've got my gifted fuzzy in my hive, and I shall never change you. Ooh, tabby bee. Yay.
Are
Alright.
you live streaming?
No, I'm not. I cannot live stream. Stupid. Don't mind her. She's just my sister. Loves annoying me. Anyways. Bro, I want to try you out.
Hova raktuk?
Alright, come on,
Valószínűleg
please.
kint van, nem?
Do something good. Have
Van nekem,
something
próbálj
good.
normálisan ülni. Oh.
Yes, get the bee. Move on. Oh, flip, I hit. I meant I didn't hit one. No. Okay.
Hol van? Vegyél fel újat, de hát direkt mondtam én, ide raktad, nem?
Yay! Anyways, what does Gifted Fuzzy do and what does... what does Gifted Fuzzy do? Where's Gifted Fuzzy at, bro? Where's Gifted Fuzzy at? Alright, here. What does he do? I know you have a pollen haze, but like, what's your gifted ability? 1.1 times bomb power. That's gonna be kind of useless, but fair enough. What about gifted diamond bee? Yeah, I don't even know I have a gifted diamond bee. I guess it's just a honey. So 1.2 times convert rate. I guess that's kind of nice. Yo, just summon fuzz bombs. What? Is my fuzzy bee sleeping? No, it's not. Weird.
Dani, mondtál, hogy jobb darabályát, nem tudod, hogy raktam?
Nem. Bocsi. Anyways. Tabby bee, yay.
Nézd, itt van fogád, nézd. Ezeket meg a napban. Zsófika,
Take it.
elmegyünk valamelyre, hol a fülbevalód? Nézd, Dani, figyelj rám, itt a Manhattan-es.
What's happening? Yay.
Yes.
Dang, this is looking good. Ooh. Okay, that is cursed. That's not meant to be here, but...
Nem raktuk ide, nincs itt a ruhát.
Dang, this fuzzy bee is real helpful. Aw, it ended. I'm guessing it's... What the... Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can buy anything else in the Robux shop. Wait. Actually. Bro, why is it shaped like that? Should I? I'm not sure. Should I? Last time I tried it, I got a demon bee, like a gifted. So I'm gonna try. Okay, I got one more star egg. Okay, fair enough. Why can I not buy any more? Oh. Oh, okay, okay. These ones trying to do me dirty now. Okay, fair enough. Alright. Okay, why not Cool Bee? No Cool Bee. Gifted mint. Okay, at least it's a new type. Still blue, which I don't like that much, but it's a new type, so I'm happy. Oh, shoot. I better sort out my bee equips. that fuzzy bee, cool bee, has now transformed into a ninja bee, which means I'm not using a poinsettia. Yeah. Anyways, let's just equip this poinsettia on whatever he even wants to. Okay. Need a poinsettia on Radby. Sure, Radby, why not?
Visszaveszed a fegetét, amire jöttél? Mutasd, de milyen gatya van rajtad? Minecraftos.
Nagyjából.
Itt van, de ez hosszabb, nem?
De nem, ez jó lesz. Hello. Hello. Oh, you meanie. He's trying to kill me. What did I do to him? Wait, that's good. Ooh, that was massive. Anyways. Here we go. You die. You're a bad spider, man. Like a medium. Ooh. So that's what we can do. Alright. Where's my fuzzy bee at? I'm looking for fuzzy bee. Fuzzy bee, where are you, fuzzy bee? Where even is fuzzy bee at? And why is he not generating any tokens? Is he asleep or something? Yo! Alright, fuzzy, where are you? Alright, so I've literally not discovered spicy. That's the only thing I've not discovered. Finally! You created an actual token! Yay! Alright, first spawn. Spawns 2, plus 1 every 5 levels. Wouldn't that have created 3? There's a level 8. I think. Never mind. What about a vector? Yeah, let's see that. What I mean. Well, at least I've got more haste since the ninja bee. Alright, let's see. 15% log duration, that wouldn't be bad. Triangulate. Okay. 3 seconds, collect ability tokens and 10 pollen plus 2 per level for more flowers inside. All marks with triangles increase the pollen by 50%. If the triangle contains a pollen, right, it gains 2 times white pollen. So I'm trying to become a red one, but I've got full white loadout and full blue loadout, and yet no white loadout. That's annoying. Pollinate, 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 pollinate. Yay, pollinated. Alright. What the heck happened to that triangle? Okay. That wasn't weird or anything. Yeah, it makes me happy. Yeah, I'm happy for those mythic eggs. Well, my tickets aren't so happy. I've only got 600, but 400 more. And Star Treat goes to Photon Bee. Ooh, that's kind of rare, right? What sticker? Maybe you. Rest in peace. We don't need you. We need you. I've got a billion amphid stickers. They're not so rare now. Yo. Alright, bye guys.